Seriously, just pull it down.
Stop.
Do you need help? With teamwork, we can both do it.
No, it'll fall. I don't know.
I don't care.
It's okay, I'll take it.
Tree, you want it to fall on you?
Oh.
No, here,
hang on.
take this.
Oh, Claire. Get up.
Claire, just pull it down. Claire, it's gonna fall. Here, let me do it. I'd rather get hurt than you.
No,
You're just
I got
a baby. Swing.
No, if I do that, my hands hurt. Ow, this hurts.
Here. Hold on.
Oh, you idiot. Oh, I think there's a spider in my hair. Oh, you think you're just gonna come and help? You're
Look, I
a
tried
jerk.
lifting it off and pulling it down.
Ew, let's kill him. You're breaking it! How are we gonna use this to roast marshmallows?
Fucking 20 feet long.
Which means we can roast like the whole, like a carton of marshmallows. Take it.
I can take it.
Fuck. Claire's just gonna kill us.
Let's just put a swing on it. Stop me in my eye!
Ow, my thigh.
You like slammed into it.
I was so close. Should I get up there and get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should.
What if I die?
You won't die, I'll catch you.
My arms
You're gonna snap off that hand.
No!
are just so weak and frail.
Like all you have to do is like,
Look at the eagle! What's this? A nub?
it's his penis.
It's his belly button.
Penis!
Oh shit, Matt.
Got it.
Tilt it! Oh!
Did you see that damn hawk?
No.
Don't even
Oh, I'm
think
sorry.
about it.
Are you filming?
Yeah,
Oh shit.
it's gonna be a good video.
Like 5 minutes long.
Oh no. Here.
That's not the right branch to poke.
Claire, hope it falls on you.
Oh my god!
Fuck!
Holy shit! I like turned around and like a man was in the